Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Notion. While Notion doesn't have a traditional merge cells feature like Excel or Google Sheets, there's a clever workaround using Notion's AI tools that will help you combine cell content effectively. Let's walk through it step by step. First, head over to your Notion workspace and open the page where you want to work with a table. This could be any page in your workspace where you need to organize or combine data in a structured way. Next, click on the body of the page and type /table to create a new table. If you already have an existing table where you want to merge cells, simply open that table instead. This / command is one of Notion's most useful shortcuts for quickly inserting different types of content blocks. Now comes the important part. To combine cell content from two or more columns, you'll need to select the rows whose data you want to merge visually. You can add a new row specifically for the combined data, which keeps your original information intact while creating your merged result. This approach gives you flexibility in how you organize your information. Once you've identified the rows you want to work with, click on the 6-dot handle located to the left of a row or your selected range of rows. This handle is your control panel for manipulating rows in Notion, and it's essential for accessing the AI features we'll use next. From the menu that appears, select Ask AI. This opens up Notion's AI tools, which are incredibly powerful for data manipulation tasks like this. In the AI prompt field, type merge columns or combine data and press enter. The AI will then process your request and create a combined version of the selected cells, pulling together the information in a way that makes sense contextually. This method leverages Notion's AI capabilities to simulate merged cells effectively, even though Notion doesn't have a direct merge function like traditional spreadsheet software. It's a smart workaround that accomplishes the same goal while maintaining Notion's flexible database structure. Thanks for watching.